Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to be reviewing the Koh-i-Noor Hardtmuth colored pencils. These are the Polycolor colored pencils, and actually you can see them on the right. Yeah, on the right. They're the 36 count set. The colors are really nice, and in the last video I've been reviewing the Faber Castell Classic colored pencils. Here you can see me comparing both of the leads or the cores, because I realized that the Koh-i-Noor colored pencils actually have a thicker core. They may have like a 3 or 4 millimeter core, while the others are in a, I don't know, 2 millimeter core. Here you can see me starting off with her eyes, and I noticed that I didn't have to mix the color of her eyes. Like Snow White has this earthy green eye color, and I didn't have to mix it because it was just there. That's what I was talking about in the last video, that they do have these earthy tones in that set. Other than Faber Castell don't actually have that many muted tones. You have to mix them yourself. Other than that, as said before, they blend amazingly, and you'll see how I'll be layering them later on her dress and on the cape, because I didn't have the color of the cape that was on my reference drawing. And you'll see how well they blend when I'm coloring in the bird, because you will see how the light and I did on the bird's feathers. It looks really nice and blended in very smoothly, because they do blend amazingly well. You'll also see how I had to sharpen it several times to color in her hair, and that's almost the only downside to these colored pencils, is you have to sharpen them a lot. But they don't break when you sharpen them. I didn't have them break that often in the last few years. When you're using a good quality sharpener, they don't break actually almost at all. Other than that, I think actually that's it for the beginning, and I'll let you watch a little bit and then add my verdict to the whole Faber Castell versus Koh-i-Noor Hardtmuth colored pencils. else that I noticed while using the Koh-i-Noor Hardtmuth colored pencils is that the vibrancy is really amazing. I mean, you can see on her dress how vibrant the colors are, the reds and the blues, the tones are really amazing. Something that might bother some people is that the color on the barrel doesn't really completely match the color inside always. So you'd have to, like, when you get them, do a swatch of them all, and then you'll have the true colors of every single pencil. But me personally, it doesn't really bother me that often. I just had to include it for people who might get bothered by that. Something else that is like really nice is the golden barrel part at the end. It's like protecting it because it's a closed barrel, so the lead isn't really exposed to breakage that easily. But on the other hand, you have the anti-break system and the Faber Castell ones, so it doesn't really make that much of a difference in this review because both actually don't break that often. So my verdict, it's all about preference actually. I like both of them and I use both of them. The Faber Castell ones have been with me since I was a kid, as I said in the last video, and they're more like the quality for children actually, because it's Faber Castell has like these three brand colors. The red one's for children, the blue one is for students and hobbyists, and then the green one for artists. So it's actually in the children's section, but actually they do work really well. I've been using them for forever now. And these ones they say that they are artists colored pencils, but I would say they're a little less than that. I mean, like, they're not on the level of the Faber Castell Polychromos or the Prismacolor Premier ones, but they're close to them. So you can start out with those till you get your technique right and learn everything you want to learn about color pencils, so you don't waste your Faber Castell Polychromos ones and the Prismacolor Premier ones. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Leave any comments down below. I do have a lot more to review if you want. And yeah, other than that, make sure you check out the video from last week so you can see my opinion about the Faber Castell ones in more depth. And other than that, subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe because I do make videos. I try to make them weekly, but they don't always come weekly. And yeah, keep painting and drawing, and I'll see you next time.